Hi guys, hope everybody is doing great today. So today I'm going to cook paneer pakoda. It's rainy, so it is mouth-watering dish. So people love it in rainy winter or any hill station. People travel there, so they love to eat paneer pakoda. So I'm going to teach you how to do it today. So please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers! Let's go! So let's get started. So we have gram flour and we have masalas. So we're going to start making batter in this. So first we're going to add salt. So we use pink salt because it's healthier. And we're going to use paprika, that's red chili. And we're going to use coriander powder. So mix little water in this. Yeah, this is enough. So mix it well. So we're going to add paneer in this. So now here we go. So we're going to add one by one. You can see it's become brown, so let's take it out. So now we're gonna record it. Yo, so now it's ready. You can see how beautiful it's come. So definitely try this at home. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. It's really good for rainy season. So people love eating with chai or tea, coffee or anything. So please try this at home. Cheers!